Not at all creepy. Not at all ominous. Hello? Hi, Win. This looks like a suction or something. This looks like a Star Wars droid. Ancient technology. Just go really slow. What?
Yeah, so I kind of be like, really drunk. I haven't been here in a while.
It's just Christmas trimmeries, no safety goggles. We just came in through this door. There's like endless documents, coffee cups, pillows, old TVs. Who knows, that coffee maker might still have coffee in it. But you can look up whose license plate that is. Oh. Do not enter, you will die. Merchandising at its best. What would you say? That is the oldest Bud Light can I've ever seen. Yeah. But it has a hashtag on it, so it can't be that old. Wow. That is old as hell. So there's a safe. Most of this is open, except for these two down here. Should I come back and open these and see what it is? I don't even feel like there's any sort of resistance on that combination. Looks like some ideas they had for the place to redo it. Yeah. But it looks like it fell through. See, because these were planned concepts back in 2000. Looks like they were wanting to put like a glass ceiling on top. They were gonna have like little waterfalls. They even had plans for patio and all kinds of other equipment. What? Dude, there's so many like photographs over here. There's people's photographs right here.
No, these people probably still alive and they don't know.
Whoa.
What is that?
This looks like homeless people or something. It's definitely taken here. This is from outside the building. I don't know where it's at though. Oh dude, that's the Alamo Dome. There's fireworks going off like it's New Year's too. Dude, you could be going through these documents for hours, days. Like this is Who knows? There's more like architecture plans they drew on the wall there. This kind of looks like this is like a planning room, like they're trying to get it together here. Sounds like a cave. The caved-in roof isn't the amazing part. It's the 4 toilets sitting next to each other. That'd be a good picture for you. Not sure what this gate is keeping out, but wide open over there. This is like wet still, so I'm kind of nervous. Kitchen vents. Is that for sure what that is?
Looks like it. You know, like when you're working at.
Because I don't know if you'd be cooking with. Would you have wood holding your food?
Good question.
Fax machine or scanner, whatever. Holy hell. This is the most glorious caved-in roof I've ever seen. Damn, that is huge. I would have liked to be here when this thing caved in.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I would have freaking the hell out, dude, but like, what a sight that would have been to see. I would like to see an abandoned building just left to be, and then just see how nature takes over it, and then just leave it in like a park or something.
But they're like far away from us. Like we would have to do a proper like road trip. Well, someone dead ass bought these mosquitoes.
Have you felt like you're getting bit by anything?
The first time we came here, I was getting bit like really bad when we were walking across this, but
yeah.
Now, no. Down here, though, we check it.
Hello? Ooh. Not going in there. Yeah, I can just imagine the nightmare scenario of mosquitoes everywhere around here. Dude, probably like swarming with these things. Nah. I'm kind of piecing together the story, what happened here. It looks like they were trying to do something to it back in 2000, but plans fell through for whatever reason.
See how the floor used to.
Let's check door number 3. What's in here? What is it? Nothing. It was very anticlimactic. I was hoping for a screeching banshee to come out at me, but not today. Guess I'm not lucky. I need some toilet paper or some paper towels. Nothing today. Maybe it'll be refilled next time we come. Not sure if we're going up them. Especially about that last part up there.
Yeah.
Don't look good. Think the elevator works?
Let's try it. Call it.
Self-service elevator?
This to me is most of it's gutted out. We're a little bit of the pool.
Is this where we were?
Yeah.
No, I think it's nailed or screwed shut.
Yeah.
Does it slide?
No, it's boarded. It's chained as well. There's brand new wood down there. It looks like they boarded part of that off. See on the left side?
Yeah. This is really good for pictures, I think. Loading docks. Emptiness. Kettle cooked Lay's chips. Oh, that board just cracked right there. Oh my God. These are warped, dude.
Think out of the two, it's gonna fall through wherever you could jump it off. And it came through maybe recently within the last year. They probably cleared some stuff.
Probably tried to get some sort of money out of it. I remember that guy from last time with his little rabbit dog.
That's up there.
These are high stairs, dude. What was people thinking back then?
Proportion stairs.
Holy, that is a high stair.
Oh my God, they blow it. Try the other side. I boarded it. You trust that ladder?
Yeah. That is rusty.
Holy shit. We're good. For now. We didn't do all this one.
Yeah. Surprisingly, like, sturdy and normal in here.
Probably has to be the full deck, but I'm pretty sure it's all.
So you can see where they had like generally started on renovations here, because obviously those doors right there and right there, or I guess, I don't know what you call it, aftermarket, or you see that? The doors, like how new those look?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it started on it, and it looks like they cleaned up like that area right there, because it looks like it was like painted over at some point, and then the windows were like fixed down there. Whoa. Slowly making my way across. If that's not unsettling, I don't know what is.
See it? Over there a little bit.
Hello? Oh, that wasn't an electrical box. It's a Coca-Cola machine. This is how you know this place must have been up and running not too long ago. Look at that.
Corona 2020. Oh yeah, someone's been here. You know that?
Obviously, right?
Service days.
2002. Yeah. Says security camera in use. What do you think?
I mean, if there was one, this is where I believe it to be. Maintain this one.
Nothing's going on in here. I don't think we've looked in here. Look, ADP security isn't even on.
Yeah.
So it's not running. This looks like it was barely used. Yeah. So it seems like they tried back in 2002, and then they tried again in 2012. What's going on that's like stopping them from doing anything here? I mean, it looks like they were making some decent headway here, like really fixing it up. It could be like the LCRA building in New Braunfels where they made it look really nice. Yeah, this is, it's fairly recent. Oh, there is some animals in here.
Some what?
Animals or something. Looks like raccoon paws or something. I don't see any security systems. Dang, those lights look new. Like,
oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at this, dude. They even have carpet. It's not even like totally destroyed. Oh, okay, never mind. It is. That doesn't look like anything good. But this is saying something. This is bringing some sort of story together. 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. Okay. I mean, it's crazy. That wasn't even that long ago. Like, there's a lot of blunt wraps and swishers. Webhead. Little aesthetic on the walls. It's a new-ish printer. Has the little like semi-touch screen right there. Huh?
Yeah, you can take a dish.
Oh, yeah, I know. I'm feeling pretty warm. I think I'll go ahead and. What's it look like? Is it clean? You think it's got good pH levels in there?
Yeah, so you take care of it.
Ew. All right. I think we officially seen it all.
Complete. Let's go. Complete.
Let's go. We're the lonely duo, completing another adventure. Killing it as always. We take no L's except for sometimes. Today was a W. It was a good day. It was a good day.